The events is something that everybody should come to. The events are so crucial to the success, and whatever success means for you. So that might be success to your personal development, success to financially building your business, or success in building your friendships and global community all around the world. We get to travel to amazing locations that I would have not even have ever gone to. So Panama, for example, it was a place that I never thought I would have gone to. So you get to travel all around the world, and you get to be with very successful people that have open minds, that have successful mindsets. You've probably heard the saying, we are the 5 people that we hang out with. So you must be at those events if you want to build on your own success, your own mindset, and build relationships everywhere.